Thanks for all the great info on stock options. If you trade stock options, I'd recommend a Roth IRA. What's the easiest way to open a Roth? So if you want to do options within your IRA, within a Roth IRA, you have to go with the right broker. Fidelity allows you to do some trades within their Roth IRA, and I actually signed up to do that. But then I found out by working with BDN, I found out that they don't allow spreads. They don't allow the covered calls that I like to do. So I'm not going to be using them. I'm actually going to be opening an account with TD Ameritrade. I'm going to open an account with TD Ameritrade. I believe TD Ameritrade will let you do that. International brokers or interactive brokers, I think it's interactive brokers. Interactive brokers should also let you do that. There's some other ones that will let you do that, but you want to make sure that you talk to whatever company you want to do it with. Talk to them and make sure they're going to allow you to do what you want to do for trading. So my thinking is that I will eventually switch my Roth to probably TD Ameritrade or Interactive Brokers. I'm leaning towards TD Ameritrade though. I think the costs are a little lower there. Interactive Brokers is much better for day trading. Probably a quicker platform. But since I'm just doing options, I think I'll be okay with going with TD Ameritrade. And I'd rather have what looks to be a really, really good, well-designed layout that gives you a ton of information. So when I get that, I'm looking to open one of those accounts for my LLC right now. Once I get that opened up, I'll share it with you guys so you can see what it looks like. But that's what I would look at. And opening a Roth is super easy. All you need to do is just go to their site and ask them. You tell them you want to sign up for a Roth. I did it through Webull in, I don't know, it was probably 15 minutes, 20 minutes. I did it with Fidelity. It took me a little bit longer because they needed some other information because I was going to transfer it. But if you don't have a Roth currently and you're not going to transfer money from one into it, it's so much easier. You don't have anything to wait for. Does this apply to stock options? Long-term investments, those held for more than a year, are taxed at a lower rate than trades held for less than a year, which are taxed at the normal income rate. I'm not sure. I believe I briefly looked into this. I don't remember, but I believe that if you own the option for over a year, then it could be considered that. Most options are not going to hold for that long though. And if you're doing covered calls and things like that, those are going to be taxed at your normal income rate. So that's why you want to do it inside your Roth IRA. If you're doing them in your Roth or even in a regular IRA or a 401k, then you got no worries to begin with. But yeah, you definitely want to get your strategy that fits whatever tax situation you've got. Sounds like you need to open a Roth if you get seriously into options. Yeah, I mean, you don't have to. You just got to be content with paying some taxes. You're only going to pay taxes if you're making money, so. But that's a great place to do it. It's a great place to do it. All depends on what your needs are. I hope you found value in today's video. If you'd like to find out more about IUL and whole life, check out these videos right over here. And we'll see you next time.
Now go maximize your cash flow.